Alright, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, let me adjust this thing a little bit. Okay, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit on the notification button so you can always get notification each time I drop my video. Alright, today I want to show you how you can get a loan, a business loan, a personal loan in Nigeria without collateral, and in less than 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, or just in 5 minutes. So, to get a loan, to actually qualify for this loan, you must have one, a BVN. You must have your BVN. You must have an account with an existing bank, another bank. It could be Sterling Bank, Union Bank, any bank at all. So, and you must have run the account for 6 good months, for 6 months. So, to actually get that, number one, you go to myspecta.com. You can see myspecta.com. This platform is owned by Sterling Bank. You can see Sterling Bank here. It's actually owned by Sterling Bank. So, basically what you do is, you come to this platform. You go to, this is the platform, sorry. This is the platform. Alright, this is the platform. In 5 minutes you are done setting up whatever. But there are 2 ways to this. If you can do this thing online by yourself, you can go ahead. So I'm going to show you how you can do it briefly online. But if you have a Sterling Bank account, a Sterling Bank close to you, that you need to walk into the Sterling Bank. Open an account with them, open an account with Sterling Bank, and then apply for Specta. Tell them you want to apply for Specta. The customer service or your account officer there will guide you through on the process on how to apply, okay? But if you don't have any Sterling Bank account, and you are not close to where Sterling Bank has a branch, or have a branch, so you come to the platform here, my Specta, then you click on get started. Okay, once you click on get started, then you choose either you want to get a credit card, you want a loan, you want a personal loan, then you click on personal loan. Okay, without collateral, in less than 5 minutes you are done for this. So once you come here, it's going to bring you on to this platform. So if you already have an account, so you just put your username and your password, you log in, okay? Then if you don't have account, you click on sign up. You click on sign up. You fill all the necessary forms, your name, your last name. Remember, it means your BVN. I would have created an account, but for security reasons, I can't type my BVN or any real BVN here, alright? So you put in your BVN, you put your password, your address, your original date of birth as it appears on your BVN. Please don't go and make the mistake to use a fabricated date of birth. Use your real date of birth as it appears on your BVN. Fill it here, fill everything, then sign up. Confirm your email address. Go to your email address and confirm the registration. Once you do that, it brings you to you log in. You log in and continue the process. Please note, please be informed that Specta does not have any appointed agent and will never request for money to process your loan. Okay? So you need to be aware of this. There is no agent out there that will tell you I'm a Specta agent for Sterling Bank and you need to pay so and so amount of money for you to access a loan. In case somebody ever tells you that, please, it's scam. Specta do not have any agent. You just walk into their branch office, you do it manually, that's offline. Then if you can't have their, if you are not close to any of their branches across the nation, you can just process this thing online. Even if you don't have an account with Specta, with Sterling Bank, you can process this online and create an account with them online. Then basically what you need to do, because the account they will create for you is a current account. If you are doing it online, they will create a current account for you. Then you just download your reference form, that's the guarantor's form, fill it, and then go to their branch and upload. If you can upload it online, fine, but most times to upload online is a little bit difficult, maybe because of network or something else. Then you log in. Once you log in, let me show you the process. So uh, when you log in, this is how your dashboard looks like. Okay, this is how your dashboard looks like. All right, this is how your dashboard looks like. All right, so you click on start application. You click on start application. Then this is where what do you need now. You can read this thing. Ready to apply for a loan. There's a place. Input your loan amount and tenor. Do you know you can get up to this and pay in 12 months? Okay, so you need all this in that if you don't have an account. If you do not have a Sterling current account, we will open an instant account. But if you have a Sterling current account, they won't open account for you again. So for those of you probably that lives close to a Sterling Bank branch, that have a Sterling Bank branch close to you, just go there, open a current account with them. Then before you now apply for the Specta. But if you don't have, just they will open the current account for you online. So you just type amount, say let's say 200,000, probably 200,000. Okay, 200,000. Then you select the tenor, how long you want to pay this money, either 12 months. Then go to start. All right. If you are using a UBA bank, an existing account already, your UBA bank account, you select your bank, that's the account you want to use to submit your bank statement, because this process requires your 6 months bank statement from your other bank you are operating. So let's assume you have an account with UBA GT Bank, for example. Now, if you have an account with GT Bank, look at what you're expected to do. Kindly request for your 6-month bank statement from your bank's mobile application. That's your WhatsApp for the period from this period, October to March 31st, and select Sterling Bank as your destination bank. So once you do that, for those of you using GT Bank, you just click on confirm tickets. Okay. Once you click on confirm tickets, you put your account number. Let's assume you put this. You proceed. Okay, you proceed. You need to once you do that, your bank will send you a ticket number and a password. Then you input the ticket number and the password there and continue. So you follow the process till you complete the entire process. Okay, it gets to the next page where to ask you, do you have account with Sterling Bank? If you say yes, you fill your bank details. If you say no, then you upload other forms that is required of you. You upload other forms like your passport, or your NEPA bill, that's your utility bill. Then you fill the form online, then sign your signature on paper, scan it and upload too. Just like every other thing you're expected to do in opening an account in the bank, you do that online. Then download the reference form, fill it, give it to 2 persons that have a current account, fill it and come back and upload it. So once you do that, you give them 24 to 48 hours. If your loan goes through, if the application goes through, they will tell you. If it did not go through, probably your account statement or the money in your account statement or whatever they were able to get out of your 6 months account statement that you submitted qualifies you for the loan, then they will give you the loan. But if the amount you apply for and your account statement did not match that, they will tell you, okay, from your account statement, this is what you can apply for. So you can't apply this amount, you can't give you this exact amount you're applying. Then they will also show you how you can be paying this money. Let me show you, for example, like this account here. Okay, let me show you, for example, this account here. Let me show you. Okay, like this is where you upload your reference form. That's if you try it. But if you try this online and you didn't go to any of their branches and they will help you do that. Okay, so if the loan goes through, then they will show you how you can be paying this money, either monthly. Look at it, it's monthly. So assuming you went for this amount here, this is how much you'll be paying every month, and so they will be debiting it from your bank account. The bank you added the account statement. Okay, you also add your MasterCard of the account, and so they will be debiting it. They will tell you, you see all of these things, and look at the interest. Okay, so I have not talked about that. So this is the interest you pay for the year. So if you select a year, so you are paying this amount for the 1 year. So and you'll be paying this monthly. So this is actually how you can actually obtain a loan without in less than 5 minutes here in Nigeria. And I actually decided to share this opportunity for out this because I know a whole lot of persons don't know about it, and probably you could apply for 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, depending on what you have. But make sure that you pay this money, because if you fail to pay this loan and you misbehave, believe you me, you have closed your destiny. Yeah, believe you me that you'll be blacklisted in all financial institutions, and you will never ever get any loan again or any grants from any bank or any financial institution across the nation. So please, if you are trying this out, make sure you have integrity and make sure you pay for whatever amount you are collecting. Okay, so this is actually the process. Like I said, if you don't know how to go through online process, go to just their branch office and they will guide you through the process. It's very simple. You go, if your loan do not qualify, then you can try and keep trying and keep trying and keep trying and keep trying until when you probably qualify for the loan. So for those of you coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and don't forget to hit on the notification button, so you can always get notification